Okay, welcome back student. This is Dipesh sir, and today I am with part 5 of class 8, and the chapter is remain same, operating system. Students, today we will be discussing upon two different types of operating system, that is multi-processor operating system and RTOS, means real time operating system. So let's start with the multi-processor operating system. Student, multiprocessor, as the name suggested, multiprocessor means an operating system which actually compatible to run at multiple processor. See, I have already told you that each and every system software or application software both have to be compatible with the hardware components. Otherwise, uh, the systems of whether the system softwares or application software will not be execute. Okay, so in the very beginning I have already told you that both are complementary of each other. Okay, so software and hardware both should be compatible with each other. Okay, so an operating system which actually share the multiple processor, or we can say an operating system which can compatible which is compatible to the multiple processor, which shares the common physical memory, that is called a multiprocessor operating system. See, multiprocessor, at your home you are using a single processor because just because of your a requirement. But if I talk about the multiprocessor, means there are plenty of processors, more than one processors, which means these kind of operating systems are not used for the general purpose. These operating systems are used at some significant places where we want a high computing data. Okay, computational data, and where we want the speed of our computer is much higher and performance is much better. So just like a scientific places. Okay, at the weather conditions where we from where we get the data of the weathers. So at these kind of places we can use the multiprocessor operating system. So basic thing is of multiprocessor operating system, these kind of operating system supports multiple processors which can share the single, or you can say common physical memory. I hope you have understood what is the use of multiprocessor operating system. Now, they move on to the next one, real time operating system. See, real time operating system basically categorized into two parts. One is hard time and another is soft time. Okay, first of all, let's understand what is the RTOS. See, these kind of operating system requires at those places where we want quick response. Quick response, like suppose you went for a reservation. Okay, at the reservation counter. So at the reservation counter you required once you give input to the that employee, railway employees, and the railway employees, once he input all the data, and then operating system works and it will produce a result as a ticket. Okay, whether seat is available or not, and many kind of factors and parts are there. So basically we require at these kind of places we require a quick response. Okay, like weapon system. Okay, like air traffic, air traffic control, normal traffic controls. Okay, we want quick response, we cannot wait for our result, right? So these at these places, at these specific places, we use a real-time operating system. See, each and every operating system has its individual and unique significance. So at different places, as per as different requirements, there are different types of operating systems are available. Okay, we cannot use a multitasking operating system uh, instead of RTOS. No, we cannot use at home RTOS. We cannot use at home that multi-processor operating system, multi-threading operating system. So every operating system has its own identity, has its own roles and responsibilities. So I hope you have understood what is the role of real-time operating system. Basically, real-time operating system used where users want a quick response, where we cannot once the process scheduled, you the operating system should give a result in a quick manner. So at these kind of places we can use RTOS. The two types of RTOS are given in your book, that is hard time and soft time operating system, right? And student, we have left with uh, two more operating systems, that is distributed operating system and multi threading operating system. And then we will complete this first chapter. Okay, and then we will move on to the exercise part, and in after completing the exercise part we will start the first part of the second chapter. Okay, so in the next video this chapter will be finished, and also I will try to wrap up the exercise part. Okay, till then student, stay safe, stay home, take care, bye bye.